Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video, I'm going to do a modified bloom on a heart, just a small one. I'm trying a new pouring medium today, and I'm anxious to see how it'll work. I'll put my recipe in the description under the video. The pillow will be the same and the Cell Activator will be the same, just the mixture that's inside the paint. So stick around and come and join me and let's see how it turns out. Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm gonna do a modified bloom on this little heart with my new pouring medium. Okay, so I'll get some, my pillow paint is the same, just, house paint. I'm going to pour this down. Should be enough. This is eggshell white house paint. Actually, this is a mist tint. It's barely tinted at all. I got it for a good price and it works great. Good way to save money. You can use mist tints for your pillow paint. All right, so I've got some, if I can remember my colors now. This is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Red in the big bottle. Bright red. It's a nice red. And I've got some berry, Deco Art Berry. I've got Deco Art 24 karat gold. I've got, this is Arteza Royal Purple. And this is Bahama Blue by Deco Art Americana. So let's see what we can do here. I did a few examples and the gold takes over, so I gotta be careful not to put too much gold. I'm gonna do it like this. I'll put the berry next. See the consistency. Barely makes a mound. And this is the Arteza. It's an iridescent color. And I'll put, I meant to put I'll put the gold next. Just a little bit of gold. And now I have the red. This red seems a bit thick, so I'm going to add a tinge more Pouring Medium, and then I'll tell you at the end my recipe will be in the description. Just add a bit more water. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to use white Cell Activator. I'm going to blow with my special tool. Wow, that's so pretty. It worked. I couldn't get this to work before with my bloom recipe, so wow, isn't that gorgeous? Just spin it. And go this way. lost all my cells over there. I might not do it anymore because there, I think I'm going to leave it like that. It gets really pretty. I'll try a bigger one next time. There you go. See if I can scoot this way. There. Look how pretty that is. There. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications. Like, comment below. See you in my next video. Dry result will be at the end. Bye. Hi, everybody. This is my dried little heart that I did. It dried really nice. I think it looks very pretty. There's a few cells there and down here. I'm going to give it another try. See what more beauty I can get. There you go. Have a good day. Bye.